Single-ply roof membranes are the go-to choice if you want a flat roof that's lightweight, durable, and won't break the bank. So, here's the deal with single-ply roofing membranes. First off, they are super versatile, fitting all sorts of roof shapes and sizes, which is perfect if your project is kinda unique. They're made to last, resisting fire, chemicals, and even UV rays, so your roof stays solid no matter what the weather throws at it. Installation is usually quicker than traditional roofing, which means you save time and money, always a win. Plus, they are eco-friendly, so if you care about the planet, this is a solid pick. You can even use them for cool roofs that help keep your place cooler without cranking up the air conditioning. Maintenance is pretty low, which means fewer headaches down the line. Just make sure to check for any punctures or tears every now and then to keep everything watertight. And if you're thinking about a green roof, these membranes work great as a base layer to protect everything underneath. One of the biggest mistakes people make with single-ply roof membranes is skipping proper surface prep. If you don't clean and smooth out your roof first, the membrane won't stick right and can peel off. Another common issue is not sealing the edges properly. If those seams aren't tight, water can sneak in and cause leaks fast. And finally, people sometimes underestimate how important regular inspections are. Ignoring small damages can lead to costly repairs later on. Fix these by always prepping your surface thoroughly before installation, double-checking all seams and edges for a tight seal, and scheduling routine checks so you catch problems early. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it way easier to get your roofing project done right. Contractors also benefit because the site helps them find steady work by matching them with homeowners looking for reliable pros.